It's okay, buddy. Easy there. What happened to you, huh? You're all right now. All right, here we go. Good boy. Almost home.
Eventually dried off and warm, then you can take him home to rest. Warm air coming in. We're home now, buddy. Just rest.
Here you go, pal. Ready? Get it. That's it, big guy.
You want it?
Go get it.
Good job, buddy. Right here. Nice drop. For another?
The guy, yeah. You're soaked, huh? Good boy. Love ya.